everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make your Christmas stocking. This is request by someone that I so sorry that I don't remember the name. I have so many of you. I use a tissue paper here so I can make a template, or you can, if you have a stocking, you can use that and trace around for the templates. If not, you can use your winter boot and lie it down and then trace the whole thing. So I'm gonna make a straight line down first to make it easy for me when I draw. 13 inches down, straight down, 13, and then right across I'm gonna do 7 inches, 7 inch, connect this all the way down, 13. Everyone, after I cut the templates, I'm using this fabric to cut in 2 of them. This fabric I got from Walmart. It's not really a Christmas, but it's you know, it's reindeer for Christmas. So I'm just use this. I have a lot to other fabric to use too, but I think this is a good one to use for the deer. Go to different direction here, Andrea, so you're safe to go, because if the deer go in one direction, you have to face it up. Okay, so now you're going to fold the right side to the right side at the end of the fabric right here with the bias right here. I want this to be there. And if for some of you want to use a different color, or you want to use the baby blanket, you can use the fleece from the baby blanket too. I got this fair fabric from Walmart and it's only $6. So you can also cut 2 of this like that. So everyone, when the fabric place the right side together, when you open it, you have to do like this. So make sure you do that. So now you face the right side to the right side. Go ahead, 1/4 of an inch, you're gonna sew all around here. So with the fail, I already placed 2 together. I cut it the same one like that, and I have cut here. Depend on how long you want the string to be to hang up in the fireplace. If you want to hold it, I usually like it longer, so I cut about 8 inches long and I fold it in half. From the top down 4 inches right here, you mark the spot, and then you go on to place these 2 ends together. And then you go on to lift this up, place this in, leave it an extra like 1/4 of an inch like that. Make sure it's like that, everyone, facing the loop inside, and put this back on. Right here, I'm going to pin this down so I can sew on top of that too. So from that down about an inch and a half, you're going to leave 4 inches right here, right at the straight here. 4 inches, leave it open. So you're going to sew from here, everyone. So from here all the way past the ribbon, go down to here and stop. Leave this 4 inch open, and then you're going to go sew all the way here to the other side. I sew those two together each. So go ahead and snip on the side of the curve. Okay, and this one right here, let's see if I inside out, goes on the side and everything. Okay, everyone, after you press the side and everything, the main one, you going to place the outside out like this, and then the lining, you're going to place the right side out. So now you're going to hold the lining in your hand like this. It's much easier. Then you get it inside of this main one. So that way the right side, it's gonna touch the right side in here. Everything is nice. Go ahead and make sure it's staying. The sew line and the sew line meet together. You go on to clip all around, and then after that you go ahead and sew it in. Go ahead and sew all around here. You can do about a quarter of an inch on the top here, and then sew all around. Because the round part on the top is small, so I'm gonna take this off so I can let the circle, the round, go on there. Make it easier when you sew it. Slide it underneath here like that. Oh, and so go ahead and sew around a quarter of an inch. I don't need to backstitch because later on I'm gonna overlap. So when I come into this line where I start, I'm gonna go overlap, so that's where I don't have to backstitch. With everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and take the inside, the lining from the inside. From here, I can take out the right side. I'm gonna bring it out. Go on to this side, I bring in the lining side out. Alright, on this side right here, go ahead and sew it. Up to you if you want to do sewing machine, go ahead, go back up there and then sew this line. I don't use stocking for the gift. I just sew a gift bag from fabric and I give it to them because this is from the request. So now you're going to put this back inside. Yeah. When you put the light down, everyone, make sure you leave about like this. Like it's automatically stay like that for you, about half an inch here. You're going to fold, you're gonna flip it out, so I want the flea to stay a little bit and then a little bit of the red here. So let's just fold down until you see the loop right there that you leave earlier, the handle. I don't like it to hang it down from outside. Look how cute it is. Basically you are finished from here. You can do a little bit of the sole here and sole here. Basically that's it, everyone. If you want to add the name here, I show you how to, but if you want to stop right here, this is it. So easy, very very pretty, everyone. Look at the big inside, and this is 15 inches, and the wide side on the cup here 6 1/4 6 1/4, and down here is big 9 3/4. So it's a good size, everyone. Just a standard size. You make it too big and you don't know what to put in there. So if I want to do the name, I have a ribbon here. I cut depend on how long the name is. So I use the permanent marker and I'm going to write the name. I have the heat and bond tape here. I'm going to cut this the same size, the same length of this, but it's longer. Leave an extra 1/4 of an inch on each side and then cut. Really good. And I'm going to place the name the right side facing down like that, and I'm going slowly on the ribbon part and iron this down. You're going to go ahead in here on the top. You're going to place it right in the middle. You're gonna make sure it's staying even in the middle like that. At this time, just iron on the paper only. You can go on the fabric too. The fail is okay. Easy. Taking your time, everyone, and iron this. Now, when you're done, place it down and then iron this on the fail. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the paper. Now look at that, you have a name right there. So easy, beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please share the video. If you like the video, share with your friend, your family, and ask them to watch the video for 5 minutes and subscribe to our channel.